Hello guys, this is your channel Neatwala. So in this video you'll see about how to find the aldol products without using the mechanism with easy tricks. So before seeing this video, if you didn't subscribe for Neatwala, subscribe for it. If you didn't, press the bell icon at the side of it, press it to it. If you like the video, at the end of the video, like it, share to your friends. And what is the idea about the video? And if you want any further videos like this, comment below. So in this video we'll see about first what is the aldol condensation. So for this the answer is aldehyde or ketone in reaction with a base or alkali same as a base, give a aldol product, that is alcohol plus aldehyde product, or a ketone product, that is ketone plus alcohol product. As ketone and aldehyde are both similar in their properties, so it is generally called as aldol condensation. The mediator for this is carbanion. There are some mediators like carbocation, free radicals. So for this it is carbanion. The next question is qualification of a compound for the aldol. What should be minimum qualification for a compound to get into aldol? So it should contain an alpha carbon with a alpha hydrogen. So this is the minimum qualification. It should contain a carbonyl group also. So what is the product type should be obtained? The product type option obtained should be of beta hydroxy carbonyl compounds. And when you treat it with H2SO4 on dehydration, it gives alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Then we'll see the trick how to make it easy. So you will take this compound, these both are identical, we are reacting, we should react two carbonyl compounds so that we will get a product. So we are reacting this. Simple thing is, take, if you have an alpha carbon, this is called alpha carbon, this is this any of the following, this any one is called alpha hydrogen. So as I said before, this is the alpha hydrogen. Which one? This any of the following is called alpha hydrogen. So this is the alpha carbon. So in an aldol condensation, alpha carbon of one compound will directly attack the carbonyl group. Okay. Next thing is alpha hydrogen. One of the alpha hydrogen will directly attack the O group. Okay. This is the trick. So what product will you obtain? The product you will obtain is CH3. C. This has a HS here. The H has gone here, so it will become OH. OH. Then CH3. This CH3. This is CH3 is here. Then C has attached here. So CH2 C double bond O CH3. This is the compound you will obtain. So the answer will be correct. After this, when you treat it with H2SO4, H2SO4, wait a minute. So when you react the compound with H2SO4, you will get dehydration. So what I said above, we should obtain a alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound after dehydration. So what you should do, either you should remove OH and H2O, that is dehydration, removing a water. H2O is called dehydration. Either you can remove this OH and H of here or here or here. Removing H from these both are same because these both are identical. So you can take it as either this one. So either you can take it as this one or this one. So what is the rule? You should obtain a alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Where is the alpha carbon from here? The alpha carbon of here is now here. So this is the alpha carbon. Then you should obtain this. You should obtain a alpha beta unsaturated. Unsaturated means you should have a double bond where it should have between the alpha and beta carbon. This is the alpha carbon. So you should remove OH from here and H from here. So only it will be a alpha beta. This is beta, then beta unsaturated compound. So the answer will be CH3 C double bond C double bond CH C double bond O CH3. Here will be another CH3. This is the final compound you will obtain after dehydration. Before dehydration, this is the compound. This is the easy thing. We will discuss some examples so that it will be easy for you. You will take this compound. Two compounds are taken. So that CH3 CH2 another compound of CH3 CH2 C double bond O H. So in this thing, what will happen is, this is alpha carbon, both are identical. This is alpha hydrogen. Alpha carbon will attach to the carbon of the carbonyl group of another carbon carbonyl compound. H will get attached to the O. Okay, what will be the product? CH3 will wait a minute. The product will be CH3 sorry from here it will come COH, this one H CH2 CH3. Here it is getting attached here, so CH2 C double bond OH below CH3. This CH3 is here. Okay, this CH2 CH3 is here. That's it. This COH is here. As a H got attached here, it became OH. H got attached here, so sorry, this is CH. This is not CH. This is CH. One of the H has gone here, and this carbon is attached here. This is the product obtained. So this is the answer. I think it will be easy for you, this one. So the next thing is cross aldol. What do you mean? The next thing is CH3 C double bond O CHO and CH3 CH2 CHO. This is called as what means cross aldol. Cross aldol means if you have two carbonyl compounds of different types, there will be two self condensation products and two cross aldol products. That means they both should have an alpha carbon and alpha hydrogen. In this, there is there's a carbonyl compound also, alpha carbon also. This is not a CH3 C double bond. This is wrong compound. This is CH3 CHO. So in this thing, here also it is a carbonyl compound is here, alpha hydrogen is here. Both are different compounds. So there we are providing excess. So there will be minimum 2 molecules of this one and 2 molecules of this one. Here these 2 molecules will react with each other to form one product. These 2 molecules will react with each other to form one product. Another thing is, this one molecule will react with this one to form one product. This molecule will react with this one to form one product. Okay, I will make and show you one self aldol condensation product and one cross aldol condensation product. The first thing we will make is with CH3CHO. Okay, CH3 C double bond OH and CH3 C double bond OH, self condensation product. So what will happen? This is the alpha carbon, alpha hydrogen. Alpha carbon will get attached here, hydrogen will get attached here. That's it. But what is the product? You will obtain CH3 COH, CH2, C double bond H. Here you'll get a H. That's it. If we want to dehydrate with H2SO4, we should have obtain a, this is the beta carbonyl compound. This is the alpha carbon. This is beta. This is also beta. So this is a beta carbonyl compound you have obtained after an aldol condensation. Beta carbonyl compound. If you dehydrate, what you should obtain? Alpha beta unsaturated compound. Alpha here, or either you can remove hydrogen of here or here. Here is no hydrogen, so you should remove from here. So you obtain CH3, C double bond CH, C double bond OH. This will be the product finally. The self aldol condensation product. We will see about cross aldol condensation. So we will see about cross aldol condensation. How to make cross aldol? CH3, C double bond OH and CH3, CH2, C double bond OH. We'll take one thing. So here the alpha carbon, we will take this one. You can take this also. If you obtain this as alpha carbon and attach the trick above, you will obtain different product. If you take this as alpha carbon, you will obtain different product. No, I will make this is I will take this as alpha carbon. So alpha carbon of this will get attached here. Alpha hydrogen will attached here. So you will obtain CH3, COH, H, CH, CH3, C double bond OH. So now we have obtained the product with the alpha carbonyl compound. This is beta carbonyl compound, alpha, beta. This is also beta. Beta is near alpha. Alpha means the carbon near to carbonyl compound. This is alpha carbon. So we decided this. So this is beta carbonyl compound. This is obtained. If you dehydrate, what you will get? You should obtain a alpha beta unsaturated compound. CH3, C double bond, C, CH3, C double bond OH. This is the product we will obtain finally after dehydration with H2SO4. This is one cross aldol product obtained from this one. If you know the answer for the another cross aldol product, comment below. If you like this video, if you like this video, please share to your friends so that they will also know it. If you didn't subscribe to Neatwala. And if you want more videos about it, comment below so that we will know that you are interested in these topics. I hope this trick was useful for you. Thank you guys.